Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the best products on the market. Today, we've got something every DIY mechanic and car enthusiast needs. The big red T43202 Touran heavy-duty steel jack stands. These jack stands are a game-changer when it comes to vehicle maintenance and safety. Stick around as we dive into why they're considered the best in the market. Let's kick things off by unboxing this pair of big red Touran jack stands. As soon as you open the box, you'll notice the sturdy build and quality materials that these stands are made of. The red and black design adds a touch of style to your garage. Now, let's talk about the standout features of these jack stands. These heavy-duty stands can handle a whopping 3 tons of weight, making them suitable for a wide range of vehicles, from small cars to light-duty trucks. The adjustable height range, from 11-1/4 to 16-3/4, provides flexibility for various tasks and vehicle types. Sawtooth ratchet bar. The multi-position ratchet bar with a sawtooth design allows for quick and secure height adjustments. Wide pyramid base. The wide pyramid foot base ensures added strength and stability, reducing the risk of accidents. Safety is paramount when working under a vehicle, and these jack stands have got you covered. They meet ASME safety standards, providing peace of mind knowing you're using a reliable and tested product. To put these jack stands to the test, we used them on various vehicles, including a small sedan and an SUV. The stability and ease of use were impressive. You'll see how confident we are in their reliability. Perhaps the most remarkable aspect is the price point. These jack stands offer exceptional quality and performance at an affordable rate. They're a fantastic investment for both beginners and seasoned mechanics. Don't just take our word for it. We've scoured the internet for customer reviews. And the consensus is clear. People love these jack stands for their durability, ease of use, and value for money. In conclusion, the big red T43202 Touran heavy-duty steel jack stands are the best in the market for good reason. They're robust, reliable, and won't break the bank. If you're serious about your vehicle maintenance or just want a safe set of jack stands in your garage, these are the ones to get. That wraps up our review of the big red Touran heavy-duty steel jack stands. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of top-quality products. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with these jack stands, leave a comment down below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next review.